Planning and managing a professional network always begins with the simple question, what does the organization truly need? Before connecting a single cable, we analyze how many users there will be, what services they will use, and how much bandwidth is required for smooth performance. We also consider security needs, because a useful network is a protected network. With that information, we design the structure. We select the topology that fits best, from a star network for small offices to hybrid or mesh designs for more complex environments. Then we choose the right equipment, including routers, switches, access points, and the type of cabling that will support a stable system. When the physical base is clear, we define the IP addressing. We decide whether to use IPv4, IPv6, or both. We create subnets to organize resources more efficiently and configure services like DHCP to assign addresses automatically. Security comes next. We configure firewalls, set up VLANs to separate sensitive traffic, and apply access controls that limit who can enter each part of the network. We also enable monitoring tools to detect problems or attacks in time. Finally, we manage the network continuously. We document every change, run periodic tests, make backups, and review whether the network can grow without issues. Good management keeps the network stable today and ready for tomorrow. There is a link to the blog with more details in the description.